Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at the daily challenge problem. Problem 637, average of levels in a binary tree. So in this video, we're going to share a solution based on level order traversal. So first, I'll read through the statement and then do the analysis and share the code. First, let's look at the statement. So given the root of a binary tree, return the average value of the nodes on each level in the form of an array. Answers within certain precision of the actual answer will be accepted. So here are two examples. So let's look at example 1. So in example 1, so there are 3 levels. So the output has 3 elements. So the first level, or level 0, so we have the root node itself, so the average is 3. And the second level, so we have 9 and 20, so the average is 29 divided by 2, that is 14.5. So the third level, or level 2, so have 2 values, that is 15 and 7, so the average is 11. So we have 3 on 14.5 and 11. So the constraints on this problem are the following. First, the number of nodes in the tree is in the range from 1 to 10 to the power 4, and the node value are in the range, so negative 2 to the power 23 up to positive 2 to the power 33 minus 1. In other words, 32-bit integer numbers. So the solution here actually is a very routine one. So we're going to use level order traversal. So the procedure is that we find the node values in each level and then do the average. So this is actually the problem logic. And then to find the levels iteratively, for example, so we could use list comprehension. So with that said, let's share the shortcode. So first, let's initialize a variable called result. So we're going to put the average into this container as we traverse the different levels. And then we're going to set initially the level to be root. So notice that this root is not null at the very beginning because the number node is bounded below by 1. In other words, the tree represented by this root is not a null tree. And then we can do level order traversal. So next is level order traversal. So for this, actually this is very routine, and we're going to use a while loop. While level is not an empty list, then we're going to compute the average of the current level and then append to the result list. So the average, let's introduce a variable just for clarity, so we can actually directly get the add the average to the result. So the average is nothing but the sum of node value for node in the level, and then divided by the length, right? So the length of this level. So this is the average. So we are going to append this average to the result list, and then we are going to update the level. So here we are going to use list comprehension. So the level will be the child for node in the current level we are looking at, and then we check the nodes and the corresponding children of this node. So the node for child in, say, node left, node right. So if the child is not null, right? So this way, actually, we finished the update of the levels. And then next, so after we exit this while loop, so we can actually return the results. So that's the whole solution, or a format of solution to this simple problem or easy problem as marked by the Leetcode. So let's do a special case check first. Yeah, it passes the first example, I guess. So yeah. So now let's do a generic case check. Yeah, it passes all the generic cases. So this problem actually basically we are going to use this problem to practice some basic or fundamental traversals of the binary trees. Like here, we are using level order traversal. So with that said, I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you very much.